Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Cricut tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can open a totally new window to work on inside of Cricut Design Space whilst we're working on a project already. So here we can see I have a cute little ghost image, and that is a print and cut image. If I was then to go to make it, we can see now that it has sent us to the prepare mat. So it's showing us that it's print and cut. That's where it's going to print out. That's where it needs to be to cut. If I now wanted to work on a totally separate project, all I need to do is head up to the bar across the top, select File, click on File, and it will give me an option for New Window. So now I'm going to select New Window, and that has opened us a brand new Cricut Design Space window. So as we can see, we're back at the start. We're going to select Blank Canvas, and now that's opened, I can just upload a totally different image. So we'll use the penguin, we will add that to canvas, and now we can see we've got a fresh canvas with a penguin on. And if we shrink that down, we can see there is our other screen as well that we are working on, and we now have two totally separate Cricut Design Space screens that we can work on at the same time, and this will maximize productivity when creating and designing. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.